Create a mini course to help you market yourself and your business. This will help you brand yourself, which will help you create authority in your niche. It helps to sell your products and services better by showing clients that you are an expert in the field. If you have an established audience, then it is easy to sell them on a product or service because they trust you. Mini courses allow for a more in-depth look at the material so that you can show your audience how valuable your teaching is. Thank you for sharing your time. Subscribe, like, and share to help inspire others.